Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, uh, how are you all? Hopefully you're doing fine. In this occasion, before I doing this presentation about my final project, I would like to introduce myself. Okay, my name is Muhammad Ahmadun Abdul Rahman. You can call me Hamadun or Madun. Okay. Before we go into the point of our presentation, I would like to giving maybe presentation about my experience before. Okay. And this I wanna showing about my okay. And first, I wanna showing my CV. This is my CV, and then I was graduate from Mahat or maybe boarding school before I joined to this campuses. Yes, that is focuses on religion, listen like Tauhid or maybe Fiqh and etc. And then I was never trying to learning about this my major. Yes, this is my new experience in network engineering. Okay, and then only 6 months I berjalan di sekitaran situ menjalani, okay, dengan step by step from zero. I was making a creation. The name is MTCNA from zero to pro, and then now I have two certification that is MTCNA, Microtik Certified Network Associate, and then the second is MTCRA Microtik Certified Routing Engineer. Yes. And then my experience in the working file, I only have one experience that is like a magang. I was magang in the Mahat. The name is Gentargo, and I was working for that organization. Di antaranya yang saya lakukan di sekitaran situ adalah saya mendistribusikan dan membantu para warga untuk mendapatkan sembako setiap harinya dan juga mengajar TPA di organisasi tersebut. Oke, kita lanjut ke berikutnya, final project presentation. Before we going to the point, what like this, showing my portfolio. Okay. About my nickname, like I said before, you can calling me by Hamadun or Madun. And then now I'm 19 years old and currently studying at IBM. And then I have a big dream to learn a job in the field of networking or maybe security. Okay, we're going to the next slide. And then educational background, like I said before, I'm from Mahat, Maja, and then now I'm at IBM, focuses on networking engineering. Okay, and then the skill. Okay, skill I have. Before I was, the name is saying about my skill, and this is my skill that I achieved from these campuses. Only 6 months. Okay, I understanding how the operating system works and run it whenever is UI, graphic user interface, and or maybe CLI, command line interface based from Linux server or maybe UI on Linux desktop, and understand how the internet works, how they can connect with each other over long distance or even very far. be it between city or between countries. And then the next is about microtik or routing. Just understand how router work and know the basic configuration of their application such as internet gateway and then firewall, hotspot, and QoS, etc. Okay, and before, and then my experience on the event, I attend on the DFES event. DFES is the decentralized global technology conference organized by Google and developer group that is GDG community learn about AI from the expert who are experienced in the field. Okay. And the next, this is this is my certification PC. Yeah. Buktinya. Yeah. Okay. And then we will going to the point. Yes, this is my listen. Then I will tell it for you all. The first is I will telling about the firewall. What is firewall? Firewall as barrier between private and external network, checking and filtering data based on security rules or using the rules. Firewall they solve allow, block, or drop to protect the network from factors include hardware or software or a mix of both. This process ensure only safe, legitimate traffic gains entry. Okay, and then in the firewall that have a filter, and then now I will telling about the firewall filter chain. MikroTik has a feature called firewall whose function is filter, forward, and mark data packages that travel through the router. In the order for each function of this firewall filter to run better and optimally, we need to add the appropriate rule or flow, namely by using chain. Okay, and first I will telling about this. This is the firewall. Firewall have three filter chain, and the first is input. Input is blocking data from the client. Like this. This is a PC or maybe laptop. Your laptop. He can ping or maybe give a message to router ping if he doing filter chain input and drop. And then the forward is block packages sourced from the router. Yes, maybe from router to internet or from router to the network. And then the last is forward. Forward is block packages that pass through the router. Yes, this is maybe from this virtual PC or your real PC to internet, and then to the internet to your device. Okay, I will go to the next. If and then, yes, this is have two theory or maybe formula to using this firewall. Yes, and first is if and then. If we give a packet passed by your criteria what you want, then the action what will do is packet data will execution the action you want. We will going to the be specific. Okay, firewall filter is an if concept. If packages that are filtered have setting that will be set as needed, or we can call it a package with that specification will be filtered whenever is a web or maybe package FTP or ICMP or DNS. This is what is called if. Yes, and the menu is general and advice. this is source address. Source address is SRC address is source address, your client IP, and then the SD address, your destination IP. What this router do to the destination IP, and then protocol. What protocol you want? Maybe XMP or maybe TCP or UDP, and then third port from client, and the destination port is service port your destination. And then the interface is traffic that is will in or out. And then the routing mark or maybe packet mark or connection mark or routing mark, that is package that have given routing mark before. We will go to the next. Okay, firewall filter, then concept. Then now from the specific packages above that we have determined then what action will given to the package. That was set above. This is what is called that. Yeah. And location is there in the action, and then these have too much function and every action. Like this accept data package is not passed to the next firewall, and then this is have too much action, and then we only using only little, maybe accept or drop, because the other is we will learning that in the next level of Big-Rotic or maybe in MTCRA. And then firewall log is log and feature uses display some information activities from access router, can create and add an activity log as desired from the firewall filter by use the action log. Like this, I was trying from my laptop to accessing YouTube, and then in this case, I was block this site, and then my device will show on this log because I was trying use that filter. Okay, and the last is firewall NAT. Network address translation is a method used to connect a collection of private client IP to the internet network using one public IP address. NAT is used for public IP address availability, and the principle of NAT is the same as filter rule, that working with if and then. Okay, after NAT we are using when the client inside the router wants to go out, yes, from your device to internet, and then this has to action. A Moscow red is used to connect a local network to the internet using dynamic public IP, and then after NAT used to connect the local network to the internet using public static IP. And then the standard NAT used when a client on the internet want to access the local network from the internet. Like internet wanna access your server, yes, with root with melalui router, your router. Okay, maybe only this, yes, the SDNet is when accessing the local network via the internet or forwarding, throwing traffic outside the router, and then direct is that is maybe mirip lah. Used when displacing traffic to the router itself, example hotspot or maybe web proxy, DNS servers, etc. Okay, maybe this is our presentation. Thanks for watching till the end. Okay, and then this is my simple portfolio. If you wanna contact me, you can call upon this email, or maybe we can saling berkoneksi di LinkedIn. Oke, ini namanya Muhammad Hamadun Abdul Rahman. don't forget. Okay, maybe this end.
I think my your presentation good, yeah, and maybe next to the session for menjawab ya.
Okay.
Tadi kan bahas firewall ya.
Iya.
Oke, firewall. Oke, saya coba soal sertifikasi. Ketika kamu ketika kamu di perusahaan atau di rumah ya, kamu punya terminologi. Nah, dan kamu mungkin di perusahaan ada di rumah ada adik atau siapa gitu.
Iya.
Nah, kamu mau blokir akses adik kamu, mungkin mau adik kamu nggak boleh akses ke misal TikTok atau gimana. Kira-kira yang cocok pakai
Firewall filter.
Mungkin bisa jelasin gimana aplikasinya.
Oke. Jadi di firewall filter sendiri pakai bahasa Indonesia apa? Awal isi Indonesia bahasa. Di firewall filter sendiri, di sini ada banyak aksinya, if-nya, name is jikanya lah. Bukan jika. Lebih gampangnya sih kayak banyak fitur ya yang disediakan. Namanya short address. Misalnya kamu punya adik, dia ingin akses tiktok.com dan kamu ingin memblokirnya. Kalian bisa pergi ke menu advance ya, karena di sini belum ada. Ada sih sebenarnya di bukunya, cuman karena nggak boleh buka buku, jadi kita langsung aja di fitur advance. Jadi sebelum kamu masuk ke fitur advance, kamu bikin dulu nih namanya di firewall kayak tuh isinya tuh nama-nama kayak jenis apa aja yang mau diblokir gitu. Nama firewallnya di mana? Apakah ada? Kalau buka Winbox gimana?
Oh, silakan mau praktek langsung. Apa boleh silakan?
Oh, kalau praktek kayaknya
Mau
lama dia buka VM
apa? Menunjukkan silakan.
Oke.
Oh, apa? Ilmunya silakan.
Menunjukkan aja.
Ya.
Oke, ya. Nah, di sini nih menunya nih. Jadi pertama-tama kita bikin hosting dulu apa yang mau diblokir. Karena di sini kita pengen, contohnya kita pengen bikin YouTube diblokir nih. Di TLS hostnya kita tadi apa TikTok, kita tulis tiktok.com yang apa pakai bintang dulu, bintang tiktok.com pakai bintang lagi. Kenapa? Soalnya setiap kata yang berhubungan dengan TikTok, depannya TikTok sampai .com atau ada slash-slashnya setelahnya bakal diblokir jika ini di actionnya tuh drop. Di actionnya di drop dan juga di general IP-nya kita kelasnya forward chain-nya. Oke, jadi dari si device HP adik kalian tidak bisa mengakses ke YouTube karena tidak bisa mengakses ke TikTok karena di sini telah diblokir. Terus gimana kalau misalnya lebih dari satu? Kalau lebih dari satu, kalian bisa buat lagi firewall rule-nya. Terus kalian tulisin yang sama, forward, chainnya, protokolnya TCP karena itu website, dan DSP portnya 443 karena HTTPS. Oke. Jadi dan kalian tinggal tulis lagi di TLS source-nya nih. Misalnya yang ingin diblok lagi tuh linkedin.com deh, biar gampang. linkedin.com, sebelum linkedin kita kasih bintang, kalau nggak usah, bisa. Tapi karena biar lebih spesifik atau semua yang berhubungan LinkedIn di blog, jadi kita kasih bintang sebelumnya, dan habis setelah kata itu kita kasih bintang mau pakai .com atau enggak. Nah, mungkin sekian dari kamu dan accident bro.
Menurut kamu dari firewall ya, kira-kira misal ketika kamu di perusahaan dan perusahaan total sama firewall, kira-kira yang menurut kamu efisien atau mungkin lebih apa, lebih aman di mana firewall seperti apa atau
Firewall yang tidak bisa.
kalau misalkan kita akan blokir akses mungkin tertentu sehingga tidak bisa akses ke internet, tidak bisa akses ke router ya. Ya, jadi ketika kamu akan memblok suatu user sehingga tidak terhubung ke router, kira-kira kayak filter apa? Firewall
Dari user nggak bisa keluar.
ya, ketika kamu mau memblok si user tidak bisa
Akses ke router.
ya.
Itu input.
Ketika misal ada suatu komputer ya, dan komputer tidak boleh terhubung ke router,
Tidak boleh terhubung ke router.
tidak boleh memiliki akses ke router.
Ke router semuanya.
Iya, kira-kira itu pakai firewall apa?
Kalau bisa itu pakai NAT biar lebih cepat. Kalau nggak di firewall filter juga bisa. Cuman di sini apa? Di SRC address-nya tuh dikosongin aja. Ntar di input di C-nya input dan di SRT address-nya kosongin aja, karena kalau dikosongin semua yang berhubungan ke situ bakalan di DS di SRT address-nya bakalan ke drop dan di action-nya bisa ditulis drop.
Maybe how many percentage for yang material or apa pemasangan dari
Oke.
yang kerja berapa persen?
Berapa persen? I think around 80 lah, 80 or maybe 90. I yeah, or how belum.
Oke. Ada itu.
80, 80.
Okay, maybe for me, yeah, for presentation, okay, and most materi kamu udah bagus. This book or vision?
Yes, very belakang.
Is the English or is for learning in general?
Oh, itu sekarang, yes, has finished. But I'm here, dikit lagi.
Okay, maybe for me, tinggal apa? Mungkin nanti for semester depan mungkin lebih lagi. Sekarang udah baik tapi nanti harus lebih lagi. Okay, maybe you can post
Kamera dulu.
okay.
Okay, maybe this is our presentation. Maybe this is enough for our presentation. Thank you for watching till the end. I would like to say sorry if I have something wrong from my work, or maybe this is so very fast when I say it. Thank you for I so very say I'm sorry. Okay, thank you for watching till the end. I hope to see you in the next video and see you in the next video. Goodbye.